Welcome to another exciting episode of NutriFacts, where we delve into the world of skincare and explore nature's hidden treasures. Today, we're going to unravel the secrets of bergamot, a citrusy gem that can work wonders for your skin. Join us as we uncover the incredible benefits of bergamot and learn how to incorporate it into your skincare routine for a radiant and healthy complexion. Bergamot is a fragrant and sour citrus fruit primarily cultivated in southern Italy. It's famous for its essential oil, which is extracted from the fruit's peel. Bergamot oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and aromatherapy. Antioxidant powerhouse. Bergamot is packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals, helping to prevent premature aging and skin damage. Brightens skin. Its natural acids can help lighten dark spots and hyperpigmentation, giving your skin a more even tone. Controls oil. Bergamot's natural astringent properties can regulate excess oil production and minimize acne breakouts. Calms inflammation. The soothing properties of bergamot oil can relieve redness and inflammation, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Natural cleanser. Bergamot can effectively cleanse the skin, removing dirt and impurities, leaving it fresh and rejuvenated. DIY Face Serum. Mix a few drops of bergamot essential oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or argan oil. Apply it to your face before bedtime for a revitalized complexion. Refreshing toner. Add a few drops of bergamot oil to your favorite alcohol-free toner. Use a cotton pad to apply it to your face after cleansing. Bergamot-infused face masks. Enhance your weekly face mask by adding a drop or two of bergamot oil to your mask mixture. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse for a radiant glow. Aromatherapy. Diffuse bergamot oil in your home to create a relaxing atmosphere and reduce stress, which can contribute to skin issues. Always dilute bergamot essential oil with a carrier oil to prevent skin irritation. Perform a patch test before using bergamot oil on your face to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. Avoid sun exposure immediately after applying bergamot oil, as it can make your skin more sensitive to UV rays. Incorporating bergamot into your skincare routine can bring about a refreshing change, giving your skin the love and care it deserves. From its powerful antioxidants to its soothing properties, bergamot is a versatile ingredient that can help you achieve a glowing complexion.
Remember to use it wisely and in moderation, and you'll be on your way to healthier, radiant skin. Thanks for tuning in to NutriFacts, and we'll see you in the next episode.